Hello, True Circle Farms. This is an update on how the plat is growing. It's coming out of it now. I really don't think I should start thinning yet because, as you can see, the stems are still white and they're immature. So I really don't want to move them until they turn slightly green. But yeah, my children put too many in this outlet right here. But, you know, it's all right because we're learning together. So this is an update. And with my tomato, I don't know what's going on. That little part is dead, but the rest seems to be okay. So we're just gonna keep on plugging away at it. But I don't know if this is getting kind of yellowish or not. I'll see. We'll see. But this is a brief update on it, how it's coming out, how everything is turning out. The saffron still isn't doing anything, so I don't know. But everything else is coming along. But give me your opinion. Should I go ahead and start separating them out? Or should I just leave them like they are and let them green up some more? Or separate them out? Tell me what y'all think I should do. All right. Talk to you guys later.